Down in the shop where the grinders scream, we bring dead metal back to life again.